Today's tutorial is about 3D wine glass, so let's get started. First, select the front view and go to Subject Primitive and select Plane, make plane on front view window. Press Alt+W to maximize the window, press F key for front view. Now press M key and select Default Material. Go to Basic Color and select Bitmap. Now select the image of wine glass which you download earlier. Then drag the material onto the plane. Now go to Object Type and select Line Tool. And start tracing the image like I do. Then go to Modify List and type Lathe. Scroll down the More Values and select Max Value. Next type Mesh Smooth for smooth look. And type Turbo Smooth for more accurate result. For correcting these bold edges, go to Select Line on Modify List and click on Play icon and select Vertex for adjusting the points. That's it. Your 3D wine glass is ready. You can easily create other objects too. If you like this video, share your work with me. See you in the next tutorial.